Hey, what's up everybody? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans. Today, I'm going to show you how to install our Pet Bowl carrier. This has been one of the most popular products that we've made in the last few months. And what's great about it is really there's no install. You have 4 magnets, so you get this. You get these 2 collapsible dog bowls. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, and if you don't have this, no big deal, but if you have a fire extinguisher here, you kind of just work around that a little bit. But basically, this just slides right on there, and you can get it at whatever height that you want. And then you just take your bowl and drop it in here. If you have the extinguisher, you have to raise this up a little bit just so this sits down. Okay, same thing here, and then that's it. It's like super easy. What's great about these is these bowls, they all collapse, okay? So when you're not using them, being plastic is great too because you don't get any rattles when you're driving down the road. So they just sit in here like this, but even more importantly, water is a premium in these vans, right? So let's say you put a little water in there for your pet. You can close this up, seal it up so the water doesn't leak. And then also just leave that in there like that. So that way when you get to your destination or your dog needs water again, there's already water in there. You're not wasting any water. The other really cool thing about this is because it does pop off, maybe there's a time you don't bring your pet, you can just take it and leave it at the house. You can also put it right here. And then if you have a smaller pet, obviously you can move the seat back, which I'll do for you. And now this is out of the way, and then if you have a smaller pet, they can come over here, eat, get water and stuff, and it's not getting in your way, even when you rotate your chairs around too. So this is the Pet Bowl carrier. You get all 3 of these pieces right here. It's super easy install. You just put it on the back of your seat or the front of your seat. So if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. We're going to continue to come out with some very innovative products here out of Hurricane, Utah, and we'll continue these videos and educate you on how we use all of our products here at Canyon Adventure Vans.